Hi children, welcome back to our next video session. Hope you're all busy in watching our videos. Today we will learn numbers. I guess many of you like number work, isn't it? Kids, you all know to count the numbers? Shall we say the numbers together, children? Come on, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good children. High five to all. While comes for writing, the numbers have to be placed in respective columns, that is, tens column and ones column. Ones column can also be termed as units column. Here you can see tens column and ones column. Shall we start counting the numbers one more time, children? Are you ready? Repeat along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kids, did you notice that till number 9, all the numbers are placed in ones column? Yes, the above numbers are single numbers, hence it is placed in ones column. For number 1, 0, 10, as it has two numbers, the first number 1 should be placed in tens column and the second number 0 in ones column. The numbers from 1 to 10 we can mention as 1/10. Here we have a bundle of sticks. We have 10 sticks in each bundles, which means 1/10. Similarly, when we have two groups of tens or two bundle of sticks, which makes 20. Again, three groups of tens or three bundle of sticks, which makes 30. Next, 4 groups of tens or 4 bundle of sticks together form 40. And 5 groups of tens or 5 bundle of sticks, which makes 50. Here in this picture, to your left, we have one bundle of sticks, which is 10, and to your right we have 3 more sticks which are separate as it is considered to be ones. So how to count the sticks together, children? Start counting from the bundles as shown from the red arrow mark symbol. Yes, shall we go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the counting should continue from the second arrow symbol, that is 11, 12, 13. So together we have 13 sticks. How to write this? We will write 1 in tens column and 3 in ones column. Why do we write like that? We have 3 separate sticks, that is 3 ones, so we represent 3 under ones column. We have 1 bundle, that is 1 tens, so we represent 1 under tens column. Now, shall we step into our next concept? Kids, have you ever seen this number? How to call this number? Yes, 0. 0 is the first number in ones place. As it doesn't have value, we started to count and write the numbers from 1, 2, 3 and so on. As a single number 0, it doesn't have value, but when it joins with another number like 1, 0, together we get a new number 10. Similarly, 2, 0, we get another number 20. 3, 0, 30 and so on. Now let's see few examples for 0 concept. Here we can see a tree with few apples. Shall we count the apples, kids? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the first tree we have 5 apples. In the next tree, can you find any apple, children? No. The second tree has 0 apples, or we can say nothing. 0 means nothing. Shall we see one more example, children? In this picture, can you see a bird's nest? Kids, what is there in the nest? Yes, eggs. Now, start counting along with me, children. 1, 2, 3. How many eggs are there in the nest, children? 3 eggs. In the next picture, can you see any egg, children? No. There is an empty nest with 0 eggs. Empty means nothing. Now, let's move on to our next concept, backward counting. Children, what is backward counting? Backward means moving back, or it can also be mentioned as reverse. Kids, at times you will try to move your foot back and walk with your parents. The same way, we can also read the numbers in reverse order. Now, shall we start backward counting? Yes, repeat along with me, children. We'll start from 10. Right? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Children, practice counting numbers both forward and backward. Now, let's discuss about greater number and lesser number. Greater number, which can also be named as bigger number, and lesser number, which can also be termed as smaller number. Here we have a picture, a boy and his dad. Dad asked his son, "My dear boy, we have 4 cakes in one plate and 1 cake in another plate. How many cakes you need?" Kids, what will be your answer for this? I guess everyone will prefer to have 4 cakes, as you all love to have cakes, isn't it? Now let's get into the concept. Which number is big, children? 4 or 1? Yes, 4 is the bigger number and 1 is a smaller number. the number where the tip faces is a smaller number. Here we have one more image for greater and lesser concept. In this picture, we have a crocodile image and the greater symbol, which means the crocodile's mouth seems to be very big and crocodile catches the bigger number. Can you see the greater symbol in the crocodile's mouth, children? Yes. Children, now let's discuss about equal concept. Equal means same. When you compare two groups, the quantity or the numbers should be same in both the groups. Shall we see one example for equal concept, children? What is there in the first picture? What can you see over there? Yes, you are right. There is a tree and we can see birds on the tree. Shall we count how many birds are there on the tree? Come on, start. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 birds in the first tree. In the next picture, again we can see few birds sitting on the tree. Now count along with me, kids. 1, 2, 3. Again there are 3 birds on the second tree. Hence, in both the images there are equal number of birds, which means both the groups or both the numbers are equal. Children, there is a symbol to represent equal. When we draw 2 sleeping lines, one below the other, it indicates the equal symbol. Our last concept in this session is not equal concept. When we compare two groups, the numbers or the quantity will not be the same. There may be more or less in one group. Shall we check with an example, kids? Now let's count and check the first basket. What fruit is this, children? Yes, strawberries. You all love to have strawberries, isn't it? Come on, let's count the strawberries. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 strawberries in the first basket. Now let's count the second basket. Ready? Start, children. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 strawberries in the second basket. So when we compare 7 and 3, the two numbers are different. The same way, when we compare two baskets, one basket has more and another basket has less strawberries, which means 7 and 3 is not equal. This is the symbol for not equal. How to represent not equal symbol, kids? A slanting line over the equal symbol represent not equal. Children, I guess now you can understand equal and not equal concepts. Okay children, that's it for today. Catch you later in the next video with few activities for number concepts. Thank you. Bye bye.